Hi and a very good morning everyone. My name is Nur Iza binti Sanaka and my matching number is 277564. So this video presentation is from grade 22 and the title that we are choose to the research proposal is Sustainability of Halal Food Waste in a Malaysian Airport. First of all, I would like to highlight and explain about the background of study. Do you know what is a food waste? Food waste actually can be described as a food has been served but not eaten by passenger in the flight. This study can be proved according to the International Air Transport Association, the total of demands passenger arising at 7 million by the year 2034. Plus, the airlines has been recorded the total of food waste in flight around 6.1 million tons of cabin waste in 2018. For example, there are unconsumed food and drink by passenger is 20% to 30% are not served by airlines, and more than 40% of total solid and liquid are recorded as food waste in every year. As a result, the effort for solving this problem, which is a food waste, is Malaysian air cargo industry encourage the food manufacturers to control their amount distribution of halal food accurately based on their data analysis. Last but not least, in doing this research study also can be aims to develop a comprehensive research framework can be applied in the green practices, especially in controlling halal food waste. Moreover, they want to make more enhanced into sustainable performance in halal food operation. So that's all for me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Next, I will continue my part. First, for the political, the government has set some strict rules and procedures for obtaining halal certificates through authorized parties to provide certification to companies that produce halal food. For economic, inflation in Malaysia has made foreign investors worried to invest funds in airport development project in Malaysia. This will also disrupt the sustainability of halal food waste at Malaysian airport. The industry, like airport companies, needs to maintain a good image. Food waste management at the airport needs to be carried out in an orderly and systematic manner. For technological, airport companies in Malaysia need to invest more in technology to manage food waste from customers at airport as well. Besides, discard food waste can cause pollution to the environment. This is because food waste such as solids can disrupt ecosystem as well as contribute to global warming and climate change. Lastly, the parties involved must ensure that all several legal and guidelines have been complied with and have a valid halal certificate.
At this stage, qualitative data analysis may be used if the data obtained are qualitative data. This is possible due to the fact that the data collected at this stage are in the form of words, phrases, and explanations, which are formed for case studies and observations. The method of research takes a qualitative approach which allows for the accumulated information to be easily expressed in numerical form. Since of this, we have an easier time of it because reliable data and explanations based on observational case studies are over. Several different indicator approach will be used to the explanations of secondary data gathered from Malaysian airport that dispose of halal food waste in this research. The process of standardization will assess the degree to which the operations, ingredients, and outputs of the halal food industry at Malaysian airport correspond to the halal criteria requirements, as well as the influence this has on sustainability.
Our research will be focusing on firstly identifying the operation of halal food supply chain within the air cargo system, understanding the operation of in-flight food delivery system in the Malaysian airport, and lastly, designing the operation plan needed for the halal food waste system, the facilities area, and their function. This is our research framework. The first phase is planning, which include the defining the production of halal food waste and then defining the objective of our research, and then identifying the airport facilities such as receiving, storing and distributing area, and then development phase, which include the developing production of information flow, defining area of function airport, and defining the schematic diagram of our project. And then the last phase is result, which we will suggest the list of recommendation and also select and clarify the proposed recommendation. This is the summary of our finding. With a focus on sustainability of halal food waste in Malaysian airport, it can be said that a proper procedure need to be taken by measure to ensure the quality, efficiency and trust of halal product to be supplied. We will also investigate the design of air cargo terminal and in-flight halal foodways to be delivered. And thus, the sustainability is important to protect the right of Muslim consumer to obtain halal food.
So basically, from the impact, we are able to learn the knowledge of the practical applications of the halal concept through ingredients and also packaging. Besides, it may also avoid food losses and food security getting enhanced. Furthermore, cost per ton can be reduced for waste disposal and also recycling. So that's all from our poster. Thank you for watching.
In the end of doing this research proposal, we would like to express our gratitude lecturer, Dr. Hafiz binti Sabar, who is guiding us throughout this project, because without her guidance and sincerity of motivation from her, we will not succeed to complete this research proposal in the right path as well. Last but not least, I will grateful thanks to all my members group for give a full support, sacrifice, and be punctual on preparing this research proposal on the right time given by Dr. Hafiz. I think that's all from us. Thank you for listening.